Hi there, I'm Chox. Welcome back to my channel, to the full moon and space playlist. Come on, let's get you zoomed, focused little camera. We are here. It is Friday, June the 5th. We are looking at this beautiful strawberry supermoon rising on the horizon right here. There's a lunar eclipse tonight. Not visible in North America where I'm at. So congratulations everybody in the UK and Europe. Although tonight we do have 5 planets in alignment. We've got Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Venus, Mercury all lined up here. And the planet Earth, of course. Let's just take a quick peek, look into this. It looks absolutely stellar over the horizon here. I thought I would share this supermoon with you. Whoop whoop. Come on, little camera. There we go. So here we are, a look at June's great big huge full moon, big supermoon. Strawberry moon is beautifully pink right now. Thank you all for sharing this with me. I thought you might enjoy it. We'll try to capture this again when it's high in the sky.